Transform your backyard into a garden retreat with perennials. Hi, welcome to Craft Drawer. Imagine stepping into your own peaceful garden retreat right in your own backyard. Whether you have a patio, a patch of lawn, or a narrow side yard, you can transform it into a soothing oasis using beautiful perennial plants in containers and garden beds, perfect for zones 4 through 9. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't need a huge yard. With thoughtful planting and the right mix of perennials, even a small space can become a lush, private escape. Check out some plant suggestions, containers for plants, and small patio furniture in the links below. Planning the space, creating a plan. Start by designing your layout. Use containers on patios and steps, and carve out planting beds along fences, walls, and borders. Beds add structure and make the yard feel more grounded, while containers offer flexibility and year-round beauty. Lay out a simple plan that you can follow for your yard. Best perennials for containers and beds. Here are some perennial favorites that thrive in beds and containers alike. You can check out the links below on where to order some of these plants. For sunny areas, lavender adds scent and pollinators, great in borders and pots. Salvia, long-lasting color and drought tolerance. Coreopsis, bright and cheerful with minimal upkeep. Echinacea, coneflowers, butterflies love them, so will you. Daylilies, perfect along fence lines and borders. For part shade to shade. Hostis, ideal for beds under trees or shady corners. Heuchera, coral bells, adds year-round color and texture. Astilbe, feathery blooms for moist, shaded beds. Ferns add lush woodland vibes. Brunnera, heart-shaped leaves and delicate blue flowers. Planting the beds, layering and design tips. In garden beds, layer your plants. Place taller varieties in the back, mid-size in the middle, and ground covers or low growers in the front. Use curves in your beds to soften hard lines and mimic nature's flow. A well-thought-out plan will help you decide before digging. Container styling for visual impact. Place containers near seating areas, beside walkways, or in garden gaps for pops of color. Combine thrillers, tall plants, fillers, bushy, and spillers, cascading, for lush container displays. This all depends on how many containers or planters you want to use on your patio space. Creating a garden retreat atmosphere. Now add the finishing touches, a bench under a tree, soft solar lights along the path, a fountain for calming sound, or even a pergola for dappled shade and climbing vines. Easy maintenance tips for your garden. Mulch your beds to keep weeds down and moisture in. Group plants by their watering needs and label them if you're still learning what's what. Most perennials get better every year, so your retreat grows with time. With a combination of perennial beds and stylish containers, your small backyard becomes a reality. For additional information on plants, garden tools, patio furniture, containers, and more. Check out the links below. Your garden can become an oasis in the warm weather by just adding a few plants, solar lights, and some patio furniture. We hope you enjoyed learning about creating your garden space. Please like and subscribe for more upcoming garden and creative tips and tutorials.